We are pleased to show you the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.